Hey y'all, it's Jacob with AB Suppressor. We're just chatting about the rifles and suppressors that we brought to Triggrcon 2023 and why we chose these. This is our F-4L. It's the big brother to our standard F4. The F-4L has 3 additional baffles and only weighs 1.1 ounces more, so we're at 5.6. And we tied this with the CMMG Banshee because the radial delay blowback on this is just so good with a suppressor, especially like the F-4L. Perfectly hearing safe with 147 grain. It's ridiculous listening to this without your ear pro in.
The trigger's pretty hard. We're used to the